Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically in last video we have discussed about the list, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the tuples. So basically tuples are very similar to list, but there is one main difference which is differentiate tuples from list. So tuples are immutable, means we cannot change the values of tuples. Otherwise, it is same as that of list, that it is a collection of different data types. Uh, yes. So in today's video, we are going to discuss uh, about tuples, like how we are constructing tuples, which are the basic tuple method. Uh, and next one is the immutability of tuples, and last one is when to use the tuples. Okay. So how we create the tuples. So tuples are created by using a round bracket. So in list what we use, in list generally we use the square bracket. So for creating tuples we are using round brackets, and in round bracket we can uh, use different data types. For example, uh, a string is also there. We can use integer, float, anything. So basically, tuples are also collection of different data types. You can see here it printed all the values. Okay. Mm, in list also there is built-in method length. So same length built-in method works on tuples. If you check this, it print the length. Let me print the length again. So here in tuples three elements. So it printed three here. Okay. As we discussed, tuples are a collection of different data types. So here string is also there, integer is also there. Next to a same next one is that indexing. So if you want to access the element of that tuples, so how you are going to access it is same way as that of list. You just need to pass the index. So in zeroth index, one is present, so it returns one here. And same with minus one is last element, so it automatically return two here. Okay. Mm, uh, same way same way like list, tuples are also some of the built-in methods. So index is one of the built-in method which works on tuple. So if you want to check the index of one, uh, so it printed it is in zeroth index. Same way if you want to check the index of two, so it is in one position. Same way you can count the values. So let's consider if you created in tuples like t is equal to 3 in a value. So if you want to count the how many times this one is repeated, so you can use the count method. Okay. So if you see here, one is repeated two times, so it return the count two. If I add another one, so it automatically return the count, means how many times this one is repeated in our data. Okay. And we can say that people's most important property is that immutability. Immutability means we cannot change the values of tuples. So for example, if you check here in zeroth index, there is one value present, and I want to, if I try to change the one value with a change uh, word, so it shows the error. Tuple object does not support item assignment because tuples are immutable. Same way, if you want to add new element in tuple, so we cannot add because this is tuples are immutable. If I try to append something like list, so in tuples it doesn't work here. It shows the error. Okay. And last one, when to use tuples. Actually, yeah, what happens generally, tuples are not used as of list. Means you in actually your programming, you mostly use list, but there are only few cases in those cases we need to use tuples. So basically, where your data is means some cases are like that your data is not changed. For example, your weekdays are never going to change. So at the time of declaring those things, you should use tuples here.